Locksmith Elizabeth, New Jersey is a locally based 24-hour locksmith service. Our professionals are available to you around the clock. For any emergency services, we do it all, from programming transponder keys to any lock or key related labor regarding motorcycle keys. Our techs are never daunted by any task regarding transponder keys. We can program or repair any transponder keys for any make or model, fast and easily, and at the lowest price in all of New Jersey. So call us, Locksmith Elizabeth, New Jersey, at 201-706-7087.